So what's next? It's time to make your list the most fundamental strategy to launch your business quickly and efficiently. So if you turn to your Powur People page, you'll notice that we've got a memory jogger of every type of person that you've maybe ever interacted with. So it's super simple. Just find the page where we list, is this person a homeowner, or is this person somebody that you think would be a great partner in the business, or both? And just write down as many people as you can think of. I encourage you to start with at least 100 people on this list. Do you know the average person knows 1,000 people right off the top of their head that they can think of? We have 1,000 people either in our phones or on our social media account. So start with a list of 100 people and circle, are they a homeowner or are they a partner? And then when we show you what to do in the next section, you're going to know exactly how to approach these people and have them turn into free solar proposals and partners for your business.